Welcome to the Outdoor Chef channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make delicious barbecue wings in the oven, no grill needed. Don't miss this amazing recipe that will bring incredible flavor to your table. Make sure to watch until the end. If you want to see more practical and tasty recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now let's get started with the recipe. First, let's prepare the vegetables that we'll place underneath the wings. Clean and wash the potatoes, tomatoes, onions, and unpeeled garlic cloves thoroughly. Then, carefully arrange them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. These vegetables will absorb the delicious juices from the wings and create an incredible flavor in the oven. Now it's time to add the amazing spices. Today, I will be using wings, but if you prefer, you can also use whole chicken drumsticks or skinless chicken breast. For even more flavor, you can marinate the chicken a day in advance. Start by sprinkling some fresh rosemary over the top. Season generously with salt, sweet paprika, and black pepper. If you enjoy a bit of spice, don't hesitate to add some hot chili powder as well. To take the flavor to the next level, add a touch of mixed barbecue seasoning. Finally, drizzle a good amount of olive oil over the vegetables and spices, making sure everything is beautifully coated. In this recipe, we will prepare delicious barbecue wings in the oven without using a grill. We'll coat the wings with spices and olive oil, then bake them on a wire rack. Additionally, the vegetables placed underneath the wings will absorb the flavor from the wings as they cook, creating an amazing taste. With the oven's turbo function, the wings will become crispy on the outside while staying tender on the inside. Welcome to the Outdoor Chef channel. Let's prepare the wings now. If you've watched this far, I'd really appreciate it if you could leave a like and a comment. Your support means a lot to us. Take the wings you've already cleaned and washed and place them in a large bowl. Add enough sweet paprika to coat the wings evenly, along with some hot pepper. Adjust the heat level to your preference. Cumin, coriander, black pepper, and chili flakes. Then, enhance the flavor with tomato paste, salt, a generous amount of olive oil, and oregano. Mix everything well until the wings are fully coated with the marinade. Make sure the sauce is evenly distributed on each wing, so be patient while mixing. Once the wings have absorbed all the flavors, they will be ready to thread onto skewers. Carefully thread the prepared chicken wings onto skewers, just like I did. Place each wing carefully and evenly, making sure both sides of the skewer are filled equally. It's important that the wings don't touch each other, so they cook evenly and turn crispy while roasting. Once the wings are threaded onto the skewers, you can drizzle the remaining seasoned sauce over them for extra flavor. After neatly arranging all the wings on the skewers and finishing your preparation, it's time to preheat your oven. While preparing the wings, preheat the oven to medium heat with the turbofan setting, depending on the country you're in. The turbo function helps distribute the heat evenly inside the oven, ensuring that the wings cook uniformly on all sides. Once your oven is preheated, you can easily place the prepared wings inside. This step will help make the outside of the wings crispy while keeping the inside tender and juicy. Place the vegetable tray at the very bottom of the oven. This will allow the juices from the vegetables to mix with the wings, enhancing the flavor. On the top rack, place the wire rack where you'll arrange the wings. Arrange the wings as I did to ensure that each one cooks evenly and becomes crispy. Finally, close the oven door and start cooking. As the wings cook in the oven's heat, they will create a wonderful flavor fusion with the vegetables. And here it is, your perfectly cooked barbecued wings, straight from the oven. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. The flavor combined with the vegetables is absolutely amazing. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you liked it, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Keep following us for more different recipes and practical cooking tips. See you in the next video. Enjoy your meal.